This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Planep T 20 mg kit is a combination of eplerenone and torsemide. It is used to manage high blood pressure and edema related to heart failure. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of high blood pressure and the treatment of edema due to heart failure. It helps to reduce excess fluid in the body and maintain normal blood pressure levels, providing relief from symptoms associated with these conditions. How it works. The medication works by blocking aldosterone, which reduces sodium and water retention, while also promoting the excretion of sodium and water by inhibiting their reabsorption in the kidneys. Directions for use. Take the medication exactly as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Swallow the tablets whole with a glass of water and do not crush or chew them. The required dosage and duration will depend on your age, body weight, and medical condition. Do not discontinue use without consulting your doctor. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include dizziness, headache, constipation, nausea, and muscle cramps. If any of these symptoms persist or worsen, it is important to consult your doctor. Precautions and warnings. Patients should inform their healthcare provider of any existing health conditions such as kidney, liver, or heart issues, as well as any medications they are currently taking. Special caution is advised for those who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have allergies. Regular monitoring of kidney and liver functions is recommended during treatment. FAQs. 1. Can this medication be used in children? No. It is not recommended for children and adolescents. 2. Is it safe during pregnancy? No, it is not recommended for pregnant women. 3. What precautions should I follow? Inform your doctor of any health issues or medications you are taking. 4. Can it cause constipation? Yes, constipation is a common side effect. 5. Is it safe for patients with kidney problems? No, it is not recommended for those with kidney issues. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback and look forward to seeing you in our next video.